Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we're having a look at the Noble Lux V2 F1 brake, DRL, and reverse light for your 2022 to present WRX. Don't tase me, bro.
Don't tase me, bro!
Just when you thought you were safe from another F1 style fog light variant, got your nose. In steps the Noble Lux V2 F1 light for your 2022 to present WRX. This Noble Lux branded light is a bit different from the other F1 style lights I've seen come across this table. For example, this light no longer requires the metal bracket and attachment screws to install to the back of the car. Now that's pretty handy. But what you will find is a light that consists of all of the usual options you're looking for in a modification such as this, like the DRL, brake light, reverse and flashy blinky crazy stuff. And if a more traditional illumination is what you're looking for, they have that too. The main difference with this light option, other than its style, which consists of clear, smoked, rectangle, or X pattern lenses, is the fact that you can install this light with ease compared to other options on the market. Included is the proprietary plug-and-play harness for seamless wiring into your VB chassis WRX. If you like what you see here on the table or want more variations for F1 style lighting, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for, all the best deals on the web and in the world. And gang, we'll catch you on the next one.